Infographics. An infographic is a means of visually presenting information or data to convey a key message or story to the viewer. This workshop will provide you with an introduction to how to create infographics. When creating your first infographic, there are several key points to keep in mind. First of all, an effective infographic has a clear subject and an attention-grabbing title. It should also have a well-structured layout and a visually appealing design. Finally, an effective infographic is intuitive to understand without needing to be explained. There are several different tools that you can choose from for creating infographics. You could use just paper and pen. You could also use a word processor or slideshow software. There are also a number of free online tools specifically for creating infographics. These include Canva, Easily, Infogram, Tableau Public, and Visme. Feel free to play around with these different tools in order to find out which one works best for you. From there, it's time to actually create your infographic, and the first stage is conceptualizing your idea. In this stage, first select a topic. Then locate reliable information or data about that topic, and determine your story or key message that you want to convey with your infographic. Once you've decided on these things, it's time to actually start designing your infographic. First, create a wireframe of what you want to convey and how that information is organized. You want to make sure that your information has a logical flow. From there, you can actually start designing your infographic and using your graphical elements. You can take a look at existing infographics for some ideas about design. Also consider what type of chart best conveys your data. For example, a bar chart can be used to compare data points, whereas percentages are often conveyed using a pie chart. Once you're satisfied with the graphical design of your infographic, it's time for the review phase. Review your infographic to consider, is it accurate? Does it convey the correct information and data? Is it too busy? Is there enough white space for readers? Are the chart type and scale appropriate for the information that you're displaying? Is it engaging to the viewer? And finally, is it easy to understand? You might want to get another person to have a look at your infographic to give you an outside perspective on these questions. Finally, once you're happy with the design and content of your infographic, be sure to include your references so that viewers can understand where the information that they're seeing is coming from. If you have further questions about designing infographics, please reach out to your institution's library or information technology group.